Hey everyone! Are you ready to make some changes around the house for fall? Here are some stylish and beautiful fall DIY projects you can try in 2024. We have some great new ideas that are easy, cheap, and will make your house feel cozy and festive, whether you're on a tight budget or just like being creative. Here are the best do-it-yourself fall decor ideas for 2024 that will make your home feel like fall. 1. Make a cozy corner first. Nothing says cozy like some autumn-themed cushions. Purchase some fabric in warm autumn tones such as burnt orange, mustard yellow, and dark red. You can create your own pillow coverings or use iron-on patches for a quick, no-sew option. Adding a few adorable fall-themed quotations or pumpkin shapes will give your home a festive feel. 2. DIY leaf garland. A leaf garland is a basic yet trendy fall decor option for 2024. Collect some real or synthetic leaves in gorgeous fall colors and thread them together to create a garland for your fireplace, windows, or headboard. This simple DIY instantly brings fall indoors. 3. Rustic DIY pumpkin centerpiece. Pumpkins are essential for fall decor, so why not create your own rustic pumpkin centerpiece? Make little pumpkins out of fabric, felt, or paper. You may also mix and match different textures, such as burlap or plaid, to give your table a fashionable fall vibe. 4. Change jars into fall candle holders. Repurposing old jars into lovely fall candle holders is a simple yet elegant DIY project. Wrap the jars in twine, glue on some little leaves or pine cones, and insert tea lights. This beautiful autumn accent will make your home feel warm and friendly, ideal for those comfortable evenings. 5. Fall wreath with a modern twist. Wreaths are always popular, and this year's trend is minimalist fall wreaths. Use a thin metal hoop and adorn it with eucalyptus, pampas grass, and miniature white pumpkins. This DIY modern wreath is sleek, minimalist, and just on trend for fall 2024. 6. DIY plaid table runner. You may build a plaid table runner out of old flannel shirts or inexpensive fabric remnants. This provides a sense of rustic elegance to any dining area or doorway. To complete the look, pair it with fall foliage or pumpkin centerpieces. 7. DIY autumn lanterns. Turn mason jars and lanterns into autumnal beauties. Fill them with little pine cones, acorns, or fairy lights, then wrap the top with fall ribbon. This is an excellent way to incorporate soft lighting and autumnal accents into your home decor. 8. Create texture with DIY faux fur throws. Fall is all warmth and comfort, so why not make some DIY faux fur throws? You can buy cheap faux fur fabric and build your own throw blankets or cushions. They're ideal for hanging over chairs or sofas to give your home a nice, inviting feel. 9. Make pumpkin spice scented candles. Everyone likes the smell of autumn, especially pumpkin spice. Why not create your own DIY pumpkin spice scented candles? You can make your own candle scents with essential oils and candle making kits. These also make great autumn gifts. 10. Transform wine bottles into fall vases. If you have empty wine bottles, don't discard them. Paint them in rich fall colors like burgundy, forest green, or matte black, and use them as stylish vases for fall flowers or dry branches. It's a simple, environmentally friendly way to add a stunning fall accent to any home. 11. Make wooden signs with fall sayings. Make some DIY wooden signs with popular fall phrases such as, "Hello Fall," "Grateful," and "Pumpkin Spice Season." You can use wood boards or even repurpose an old picture frame. To make it more visually appealing, add some autumn foliage or tiny pumpkins. 12. Homemade acorn garland. Take a nature walk and gather acorns to construct a DIY acorn garland. Paint the acorns in autumnal hues or cover them in gold glitter for a sparkling finish. String them together and hang them on your mantle or around your door to create a colorful, nature-inspired decoration. 13. Festive fall doormat. Create a festive fall doormat to welcome guests. Use stencils and outside paint to make cute sayings like, "Hey Pumpkin," or "Welcome Fall." This project is affordable, enjoyable, and will add a festive atmosphere to your foyer. 14. DIY pumpkin lanterns. To make beautiful DIY pumpkin lanterns, begin by selecting artificial pumpkins that are readily carved. Make a stencil or design basic shapes like stars, hearts, or fall leaves, then gently cut them out using a craft knife. Inside, insert battery-powered candles or LED lights to provide a subtle, flickering illumination without the risk of fire from real candles. These lanterns are ideal for bringing an autumnal feel to your porch, patio, or mantel, creating a pleasant atmosphere. Furthermore, they may be utilized year after year, making them a useful and joyful addition to your holiday decor. 15. Turn old blankets into throw pillows. Repurpose old blankets or fabric scraps by making comforting throw pillows for the fall season. Simply cut the blanket into pillow-sized squares, stitch the edges, and stuff with pillow filling or fabric scraps. Mix and match different colors and textures to create a warm, fall appearance. These DIY throw pillows not only give a seasonal touch to your living area, but they also assist to reduce waste by repurposing unwanted materials. They're ideal for creating a warm and inviting ambiance in your house. With these easy-to-do fall decorating ideas, you can make your house a cozy, stylish place to be in time for 2024. There are lots of creative, low-cost ways to make your space feel warm and welcoming this season, like making your own pillows and flowers or reusing old furniture. Have fun, get crafty, and enjoy the fall. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, share and comment.